Empty taskbar on Windows 11, causing frustration? I'll guide you through the steps to quickly fix it and restore functionality to your taskbar. Press the Ctrl+Alt+Del keys to open Task Manager, then select File, followed by Run New Task. Type CMD and press Enter, or click OK. Paste the following command and press Enter to run it. You will find it in the description. The PC should reboot after this command, and after restarting, the Windows 11 taskbar grayed out issue will be solved.
If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution.
Press the Windows key +I to start the Settings app, click Windows Update from the left pane, and select Update History from the right. Scroll down and click Uninstall Updates. Next, select the update that caused this problem, which will probably be the last one, then click Uninstall.
If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution.
Press the Windows button, then type Update, and select the Check for Updates option from the search results in here. Click on the Update History option, and then scroll down until you find and select the Recovery option in the next window. Click the Go Back button. In here, you can simply follow the on-screen instructions.
Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.